Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by powering the Ultra 2 and charging it to at least half to avoid interruptions. Pair immediately via the phone's companion app. This creates the secure link that syncs health and settings. Once connected, grant location and notification permissions so features work correctly. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are active on both devices. They handle large syncs and firmware updates. You'll now see the watch face and basic prompts. Tap through to confirm language and time so the device is ready for deeper setup. Now configure sensors and personalization. Calibrate the heart rate and SpO2 once by sitting still for a few minutes. This improves accuracy over time. Then customize watch faces and complications to surface the data you use most and arrange the dock for quick access. Install needed apps from the store and make sure each app's permissions match your privacy choices. Once done, adjust Do Not Disturb, Workout Auto Detect, and Haptic Strength so notifications and activity tracking behave the way you expect during daily. Finish by running a firmware update and a complete sync to ensure the latest fixes and features. Test core functions. Start a short workout to confirm GPS and sensor readings, make a call to check microphone and speaker, and execute a payment to verify wallet setup. If something fails, restart the watch first, then reset network settings. Repairing with the phone often clears persistent connection problems. If problems persist, check battery optimization on the phone or contact support with logs and exact steps to reproduce the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.